Set a 10-minute timer. Tackle one zone. Use 3 bins. Keep donate trash. To reset clutter fast. Choose multi-use pieces. Storage ottoman, fold-out desk, bunk bed with drawers. One item, double duty, less visual noise. Label clear bins by activity. Rotate toys weekly. Keep a small display shelf to spotlight favorites without overflow. Decant pantry staples. Keep one set of daily tools. Clear counters. Add a bin for lunch prep kits. Designate a laundry drop zone. Use 2 hampers. Lights, darks. Run smaller loads more often to avoid pileups. Pack outfits in grab-and-go kits. Prep breakfast staples nightly. Place essentials by the door for speedy exits. Use vertical space. Overdoor pockets, peg rails, slim shelves. Keep floors clear for play and easy cleaning. Clean in short sprints. Microfiber cloths and caddies ready. Set routines. Daily wipe, weekly sweep, monthly deep. Choose soft, washable textiles. Rounded edges. Neutral palettes with pops of color. Fewer pieces, more breathing room. Schedule mini resets. 1 in, 1 out rule. Keep donation bag handy. Involve kids so tidying becomes habit.